it's Tim from the Lancashire Maths team. Today I'm going to explain how to play the place value card game. This is a game for 3 to 4 players. I'm going to demonstrate a 3-player game. To play the easiest version of the game, you'll need the version 1 target number cards and the 10s and 1s place value cards. Shuffle the target number cards and place them in a pile face down. Shuffle the 18, 10s and 1s place value cards and deal them out between the players. Turn over the top target number card and place it on the table so that each player can see it. Player 1 looks at their cards to see if they have any part of the target number. If they do, they place one card on the table. Player 2 looks at their cards to see if they have any part of the target number. If they do, they place one card on the table. In this example, player 2 does not have any cards that they can place on the table. Player 3 looks at their cards to see if they have any part of the target number. If they do, they place one card on the table. Player 3 has completed the target number and earns a point. The 50 and 2 place value cards are put to one side and are not used for the rest of the game. The next target number card is turned over and placed on the table so each player can see it. Play continues round the group with each player checking whether they have part of the target number and placing it on the table. Whoever completes a target number earns a point. The winner is the player who completes the most target numbers. A slightly harder version of the game uses the version 2 target number cards and the 100s, 10s and 1s place value cards. Play is identical to the previous version, except that the players are trying to complete 2 and 3 digit target numbers. The most difficult version of the game uses the version 3 target number cards and the 10s, 1s and 10ths place value cards. Play is identical to the previous version, except that the players are trying to complete decimal tenths target numbers. All of the place value cards and the target number cards for that game are available to download from the home learning section of our website. I hope you have fun playing that game, and I'll see you next time.